Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. The Guelph real estate market continued to show signs of adjustment in March, reflecting broader trends of cautious consumer activity and reduced inventory. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics for all of our local markets relative to March of last year. For Guelph, the median sale price was $750,000, which was down by 2%. The median days to sell was 17 days, which was up by 1.7%. The total number of listings was 300, down by 30.2%, and the total number of sales was 135, down by 44.7%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $694,000, down by 7.5%. In Waterloo, it was $750,000, down by 5.5%. And in Cambridge, it was $740,000, up by 0.7%. Home sale prices experienced a modest decline. While this dip is noteworthy, I feel that there's more of a stabilization happening in the marketplace rather than a significant downturn. Home values remain relatively strong, especially when viewed against the backdrop of the market heights in recent years. We've started to see some multiple offer situations on some homes in the past couple of weeks. So while the market is going down, we are seeing some pretty good activity at times. The time it takes to sell a home has remained relatively steady. This indicates that while buyers may be taking a slightly more measured approach, well-priced and well-presented homes are still moving in a timely fashion. What stands out most in this month's data is the sharp decline in both listings and sales. March saw only 300 new listings, a 30.2% drop from the previous year, and just 135 homes sold in Guelph, representing a significant 44.7% decrease from February. These numbers suggest that many prospective sellers are holding off for the time being, and buyers are proceeding with a lot more caution. For buyers, the current market presents an opportunity to navigate with less competition than in past spring markets, and with prices showing some softness and inventory remaining limited, buyers who are patient and well prepared may find good value out there. However, flexibility and readiness to act quickly when the right property becomes available remain very important. Sellers should approach the market with realistic expectations. Buyers are more price sensitive and taking more time before making decisions. Homes that are strategically priced and professionally marketed still have the potential to stand out in this low inventory environment. But success may require more preparation and precision than in recent years. Overall, Guelph and our surrounding communities are currently experiencing a more balanced environment, trending toward a buyer's market, but not quite there yet for the most part. If you're thinking about buying or selling this spring, this summer, or throughout the rest of the year, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to have a conversation with you about the market, how it's trending, and how I can meet your goals. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.